What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm 6-Star Driver, and on today's video I will be taking you guys on a virtual tour of the very luxurious Audi A8L. And if you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button, also hit the like button, and if you really like my content, then you can share it with your friends and family. Let's go. This car is a beast, packed with a 4.2-liter V8 engine, pushing about 372 horsepower, with about 328 pound-foot of torque. It's enough power to get you to your destination on time and in style. The best features in this car are in the interior. Audi took their time to perfect this baby and make it as luxurious as possible. This one I'm driving is fully equipped with extras like the Bang & Olufsen sound system and massaging seats. Yes, you get spa treatment in this baby. Without any further delay, time to put this thing in sports mode and see what it does in its empty back roads. Sit back, relax, smash the like and subscribe button if you haven't done so yet, and just enjoy the ride, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy. Makes a bold statement every time you pull up somewhere. Says, I have arrived. Please like, share, and subscribe so you can see more videos. I have a few more cars to show you, better cars. I have a lot of things to show you guys this month, but you have to subscribe and like, comment so I can be found on YouTube. Thank you very much, guys. Keep supporting me, and we're going to keep getting bigger. Thank you.